Bhanu joining? Any idea?
Yes, sir. He's just joining. He has a little network issue. He'll be within a minute or two.
Okay, let's wait for him then. Yeah. In the
Yes.
meanwhile, if you want to just ask some questions, you can ask me while he joins.
Sir, what about the classes that you're gonna take? Like, is it like my wish or is there any
No, no.
restriction?
So basically, okay. So basically, what happens is, I'll tell you. So just like you, right? There will be, and let's say we have Bhanu as well now. So what
Yes.
happens is that, see, the curriculum for CAT is something which is standardized, right? The curriculum is not going to change irrespective of who's going to prepare,
Okay.
right? So basically, I'll tell you how it works is that, you will basically have, so I'll share, my portal now and let me know whenever you guys are able to see my screen. Hi, Bhanu. I hope you're able to hear me now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. See, this is our LMS. LMS stands for Learning and, Learning Management System. So this is the portal wherein you will basically find, the videos and the recorded videos, the mocks, and the questions and the material we have. Now, usually what happens is that once you log in, you now see you are basically a fresher who doesn't have much idea about how the paper comes. So basically the level of the questions, the type of the questions, you don't have exposure to that. So basically what happens is that I just ask you, and depending on your I give you guys a mock. I give you guys a mock, and then depending on how you guys perform in that mock, I come to know about your level.
Okay.
Yeah. Now when I come to know about your level, I basically tell you that what is it that you have to cover. So when I say what is it that you have to cover means that what is it that you have to see before we start the basically the classes with you. Now what I'm trying to say is, let's see, if I talk about your entire syllabus for CAT. So as you, and I hope you're able to see my screen, right? Are you
Yes.
able to see my screen
Yes,
the
sir.
way I'm okay? See, the CAT is basically, as you rightly mentioned, it has VARC, it has DILR, it has quants, right? Now let's say I give you a mock and you basically come to realize that your quants is very poor or your DILR is very poor, right? So what I do is I just tell you that Tanmay, we are about to start our classes, but before we start our classes, my suggestion is that you basically go through some certain videos in the quant sections, primarily because when you come and start attending my classes, you will basically get more idea about what you have to cover. Now, as far as classes are concerned, we have two types of classes. One is with your batch. Now, as I said, right, the CAT's curriculum is standardized, right? So
Yeah.
obviously we have that batch, and the batch will go as per their speed, depend. You will basically be cleared with people, and then at the batch size is usually between 10 to 15. We have never had a batch of more than 15 people. So that batch, so we will schedule classes for you, and then I will have one-on-one mentoring sessions with you. Now what happens in that one-on-one mentoring sessions is basically I keep on tracking how you are performing in your mocks, tests, in your classes, in your practice material. So I am the person who has designed this entire curriculum. So while you basically give your mocks, your tests, your classes, your practice material, I get all your results. So I schedule those one-on-one classes with you to understand that where is it that you are struggling, what is it that you have to do more, and then I'll tell you that Tanmay or Bhanu, you basically focus on this particular thing more, or maybe try these type of questions, or maybe look into these type of videos which we have. And then the other thing is the batch thing. So basically the batch thing ensures that you are basically going in terms of, you are basically in sync with the speed with which you want to which you need to basically proceed for CAT. And this basically ensures that you are able to get my personalized attention and basically able to focus on your weak areas. Both the things are important. If we leave the batch thing out, then what will happen is, see, CAT will be, as I said, is a standard exam. It will happen for everyone in the month of November, right?
Yeah.
So if we don't go with the batch, then you will not be in speed with what is happening, or when the paper is with the paper, or with basically the timelines. And this is important because this is where we basically put in our efforts to ensure that you are able to come up this speed if you are not there. And if you are already there, then we basically try to ensure that you are continuously improving. So let's say you are able to score, let's say, something like 100. But then what happens is then I will, we'll have those discussions, and then we'll, tell you that, how to increase, let's say, your score from 100 to 120, and then 120 to 130, and so on and so forth. Okay, so both the things are important. Any questions on this, Tanmay?
No, sir. So, is it like customized, like whenever we want the classes to offer, or you
See,
have
so this
specific
one-on-one session which I have, as I said, this is a session between you and me. This will be
Okay.
as per, when both of us are available. The batch thing will happen as per the availability of the, batch. So basically this happens on a weekend, the
Okay.
batch thing.
Okay.
But the one-on-one, the mentoring session will happen, obviously between both you and me are available. So I hope you're able to understand the difference between the two.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Basically,
And
how
then,
many days do we get trained for this, sir, within a week?
yeah, sorry. So just give me 2 minutes to complete.
Yeah.
So, and then obviously you get, the recorded lectures of your batch as well. So that, in case due to maybe certain reasons, maybe your exams or anything else, maybe placements, in case you are not able to attend, you can watch the video later. And in case you have doubt, then obviously this one-on-one session, you can cover that too.
Okay.
Now, obviously, how many classes do we have and things like that. Now, usually what happens is that if I talk about quants, right, and see, this question is not basically something which a student should be, the answer of this is something which is not something that student should be using to quantify the course or basically judge the quality of the course, because I'll tell you one very important thing. So if I talk about, let's say, my quants section, right? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The video tutorials here, right? So let me just, yeah. Okay, so do you see these video tutorials which we have?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens is, ideally, if you talk about a quant, section, if I talk about my batch, right? So basically quant section will basically have topics. If I about them, they will be ERPV, which is equations, ratio, proportion, variation, PPL, percentage profit loss, averages, mixture, allegation. Then you will have time work, time, speed, distance. Then you will have, numbers 1 and 2. Then you will have geometry, mensuration, coordinate geometry. Then you will have quadratic, special equations. Then you will have your ISL, which is indices, surge logs. Then you will have inequalities and modulus. Then you will have sequence and series. I'm just writing it as SNS, function and graph. Finally, probability and permutation and combination, and finally probability. So these are basically the topics which are to be covered for the quant section for this CAT exam. Now, if you see, the total number of classes which comes is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So close to 18 to 19 classes we have for quants. After which we have, some 5 classes for revision also, 5 to 6 classes. And then we have your mentoring sessions. Now, obviously, one thing which is very important to understand here is, Tanmay and Bhanu both, see, every student is very different. And that is the key here, right? So if there is a student who is comfortable with these classes and, is performing well, then we just don't, overburden or overwhelm him or her with, unnecessary stuff. Because if a student is able to adjust and cope up with, this particular standard classes, and he's able to score well, and he just wants, because see, as students, you need time for your self preparation also, right? So if you are,
Yes.
doing well, there is no point of, just throwing away classes on you more, right? But in case you're not able to perform, then basically those one-on-one sessions which I talked about, they come into picture. And then obviously the number of classes will vary for you and maybe someone else who needs more attention. Are you able to get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is why we are different, right? So if, let's say, you are doing well, you are, performing well, and you just need time for a self study. See, because I'll tell you one more thing. As students, right, we also want that people are able to develop their overall personality. Because in today's world, right, you might have heard about these things. If you are a, let's say, final year or third year student, right, you have to focus on your placements also,
Yes, sir.
right? You have to focus on your exams also, right? You have to focus on your, competitions also, right, which you guys have to, participate into. We don't want you to compromise on these things also, because, honestly speaking, these things are also very important. If you have lesser marks in exams, you will not get shortlist in the, in some colleges. Your competitions help you in your profile building. Your placements help you in your, again, in setting up a career path for you. So that is why we, what we want to ensure is that you are basically, apart from, what we are teaching you or what we are training you, you are able to develop your overall personality. Because, trust me on this, we have seen cases that, people, they just get overburdened with things and are not able to, understand how they have to go ahead. Right. So as mentors, we feel that our responsibility is, to ensure that, our student is getting that overall perspective of life also. So that is why we don't overburden them unless it is needed. So these are my standard classes for quants. If a person needs, more attention, I'm happy to provide it, but not at the cost of other things in life. Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
So what about the duration of each class?
Each class is, between 2 to 2.5 hours. Some classes have stretched up to 3 hours as well, but we usually keep it between 2 and 2.5 hours.
What about the days for batches?
Usually it is weekends, Saturday and Sunday. And, with work, I think with students, right, I think you guys will basically prefer Sundays more, if I'm not wrong, right? Because on
Yeah.
Saturdays also you would
Yes.
have your classes.
Yes, yes.
So as I said, right, we understand that everything is important. So maybe what we can do is, because, that completely depends on the type of the batch also. So let's say, as I said, right, if I just have 10, 12 people, all students, I am happy to, schedule sessions with them only on Sundays also. Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you basically mean 2 days a week.
2 days a week, yeah. Usually 2 days a week, but in case, let's say, Saturdays are busy for you, then maybe, we'll have classes on Sundays only. But obviously, then the number of classes will double on Sunday.
Yeah. So you mean 5 hours at a stretch?
Not necessarily. I'll tell you, I try to keep that also balanced for people. So if there are, let's say, 2 classes in a day, then I try to keep it only 4 hours.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Otherwise I tend to break it between Saturday and Sunday. See, we don't want people, you understand Hindi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो आपने सुना होगा ना, ये किताबें रटने वाले बच्चे हमें नहीं चाहिए, और ना हमको बच्चे वैसे बनाने हैं. हमें बच्चे वैसे चाहिए जो, so we are here to basically develop your mind, that you are able to, improve your skills and crack the paper. हमको आप पे किताबों का बहुत जबरदस्ती नहीं डालना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? तो हमारे लिए क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है? हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि तन्मय और भानु को क्या आता है अभी, कैसे हम उनको इस लेवल तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, और उस पे हमको उनके लिए क्या क्या मटेरियल या फिर क्या क्या क्लासेस या फिर क्या क्या स्किल्स उनमें डेवलप करने की रिक्वायरमेंट है. वी डोंट सी, अभी आप टिपिकल क्या होगा, वी डोंट गो बाय दिस अप्रोच कि बेटा ये पूरी बुक करके आ जाना और फिर 3 महीने बाद हम बात करेंगे. Right, because देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना यार, see the thing is, if I try to overburden you with stuff, it is not gonna help you anyway.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, after every class, will there be a mock test and assignment?
Not necessarily a mock test, but assignment होगा. So there's a difference between an assignment and a mock test. देखो ये LMS देख रहे हो? देखो अब यहाँ पे back to course जाओ. अब यहाँ पे देखो, ideally what I expect is, देखो, if I have taken a class, आपको यहाँ पे, जैसे मैं quants की बात कर रहा था, यहाँ practice questions दिख रहे हैं. तो practice questions देखो, तुम्हें topic wise भी questions दिख रहे हैं along with solutions, है ना?
Yeah.
And then you see those miscellaneous also. जैसे ये है miscellaneous questions. ये मैंने questions दिए हैं, और then I have given, the solution also for this. Let me just show you. ये ना, how you have to solve it. तो basically this type के assignment तो रहेंगे. but honestly speaking, it's not that कि मतलब ये overburden हम कर देंगे. That is my job to ensure that I'm able to ensure that you are able to balance your exams and everything accordingly.
Yeah.
Because with students, what happens is I think now your semester would be coming in the month of May, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब जैसे अभी हम start करते हैं. Today we are in the month of Feb, right?
Yeah.
अब जैसे क्या है, ऑब्वियसली आपको क्या है, अप्रैल एंड से अपने लिए टाइम चाहिए होगा. तो अभी 2 महीने में व्हाट विल डू इज कि जैसे स्टार्टिंग के 5-6 टॉपिक कवर कर लिए, फिर जब आप वापस आओगे, लेट्स से हो जैसे अप्रैल और मई में, यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू जॉइन क्लासेस बिकॉज यू हैव एग्जाम्स गोइंग, राइट? So when
Yeah,
you
yeah.
rejoin, so we'll just have some sort of refresher for you. है ना? तो it completely depends on the student. Now I cannot have the same approach for a working professional. समझे आप? It completely depends on the student.
Yeah. Okay. sir.
Any other questions, guys?
So what about the aptitude test? When will we take that?
कौन सा aptitude test? You're talking about our mocks or the exams?
No, to get through the institute, to get
Acha.
what are our strengths and weaknesses.
Okay, that mock. Okay, in the introductory mock, right? You're talking about that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you have to enroll. I think Webhub will help you with the enrollments. Once you
Okay.
enroll it, then I'll give you access and I'll tell you which mock you have to take.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
और बताओ बेटा, कोई क्वेश्चन आप लोगों का?
No, sir, that's it.
That's it.
And see, always feel free to connect with me. That's fine. ठीक है?
Yes. sir.
Okay.
चलो, can I drop off?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can connect with Webhub for further steps. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir. We'll do it. Sure.
Yeah, Webhub
Thank
sir
you,
will
sir.
help you. Okay, thank you.
All right, guys. So I will connect with you over a call and we will proceed ahead. Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
sir.
I hope all your doubts are now clear and looking
Yeah.
forward
Yes.
for the next discussion.
Sir, we'll get to know. We'll get back to you within a couple of days, sir, because we have a short test going. So,
Okay.
can I contact you on Monday again?
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys.